Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a new pillowcase, this one by Satine is incredible. I love this Mulberry silk pillowcase. It is so soft. It feels so smooth and comfortable on my skin. I like to dig my face into my pillow at night, and I don't want any rough textures. So I really appreciate the quality of this material. It even has a smooth hidden zipper. You can hardly see it here. It's so easy to open and close, and you can tell from this the lightweight fabric is really nice. It's also breathable. I also appreciate that my pillowcase does not fall off my pillow throughout the night if I have to toss and turn. The color of this haze blue really is gorgeous. I can't state it enough. The shine of it is luxurious. And if you're just looking to add a little bit more comfort into your sleeping routine, this has made a huge difference in the sleep that I get and the comfort that I get.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.